Yes, we all want to advance professionally. Advancement means different things to us. Others climb up the division ladder, some move laterally for a wider learning experience, while others change countries every few years. The common task for all advancement is this: target setting. And while it might be hard to or impossible to predict the future too far away, your next target is definitely at our reach and should be fixed. In this video, we will fix your target. Let's go. Hi, it's Lassi Albin. Welcome to my channel, where I share weekly tips and advice on how you can accelerate your career. I'm a senior certified coach with an industry background, and I have had the opportunity to career coach hundreds of talented professionals just like yourself. In case you're up for weekly career acceleration tips, subscribe below and hit the notification bell. Number one mistake in corporate careers is to wait and expect that someone will bring future opportunities to you on a silver plate. True, some very few companies are excellent in this, but that is more of an exception. Baseline is this: in a career world where we are now, you have to carve out, plan and execute your own career. Full stop. So what is your next target? What does this mean? It is the next exact position in your career plan that you have defined for yourself. It might be a senior controller who is eyeing for a finance manager promotion within the next 10 months. Or a marketing expert looking for that lateral move to product within the next 6 months. Or a senior manager looking for a 2-year horizon to become a unit direction at location X or Y. So what are the steps to define your next career target? Here's an example that would be within your current company. Step number 1, draw an org chart. There. Draw an org chart on a big piece of paper of your current company, division, or wherever you're heading or probably heading. Draw that piece on your level and above. Get the big picture. Step number 2, circle yourself and then the future targets where you might be heading. Now, org chart will give you an overall view on who is holding that position at the moment, who might be holding it, who might be a competition and all that. Get a picture, circle yourself, circle your targets, whoever might be there. If it's a new position, draw a new circle. Step number 3, if you got 2 targets, draw 2 circles. Focus on those, and I wouldn't really go for a half a dozen circles or anything. It makes it hard for you to bridge and start becoming attractive for the position. I would say 2 max. Step number 4, build the bridge. With bridge, I mean bridge on 3 aspects: structure, skills, and people. Structure, make sure you understand how the new target setting, the environment works. What's the structure of the company? How possible is it for you to go there? What's the probability? If somebody has been in that position for 10 years, need to understand the structure. Is that person gonna move? Or am I just waiting for something that's gonna potentially happen in 10 years? So that's structure. Then you have the skills. What skills do I need to bridge from here to there? A lot of skills, a lot of aspects, a lot of different topics. What is it that I need to build to be attractive and to win the competition internally and externally in some cases? People. Also, when you build the bridge, you have a look at the people. Who do I need to network with? Who do I need to have a connection with? Who will be the decision makers making that change? So that's step number 4, building the bridge. Step number 5, create an execution plan and timeline. When do you want it to happen? 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 2 years, 3 years, maybe a bit too long. What happens? When do you want to make it happen? And does that fit to your bridge? If you need to enhance your skills or pick up something networking, how long do you need? Make a realistic timeline. Step number 6, go for it. Push for it, go for it. Meticulously execute your plan that you created, knowing that if you go lazy, if you start breaking, your target might slip out of your hand or maybe even go to somebody else. And final step number 7, promote yourself intrinsically and externally. A big challenge sometimes is that talent doesn't promote themselves even before they start going to the next position. Self-confidence and intrinsic promotion is important, but also externally. Promote yourself in a way that you're going to be where you're going to be heading. Show people that you have the confidence and the skills to rise up to the next level. Once you get there, rinse and repeat. The next target needs to be fixed at all times. I will just do my best and see what comes. That's not good enough anymore. It's a big no. Nobody will take care of it. You will have to take care of it. There you are. Reflect and fix your targets and execute. Nothing feels more powerful than being in charge of your own professional future. And like we mentioned, most of it is under your control. Although it depends on how radical lines you're willing to draw and the decision that you make. And if you found this video useful, give it a like, share and subscribe for future videos to accelerate your career. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.